Hi, I'm Christina. Welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today we'll be doing the 5th video in the Yoga for Your Chakras series, and we'll be talking about the throat chakra, which is located in your throat, underneath your chin, in your neck. To learn more in depth about each chakra, where they're located, and the things that it governs within your body, you can check out my new book that is coming out on February 11th, 2020. It's called Essential Chakra Yoga. It is all about how to balance, heal, and energize the body and mind through the chakras and through yoga specifically designed for each chakra. It includes sequences and poses that are designed to balance and heal your body, and it's a great demystifying guide to the chakras and how to use them to your benefit. So I hope you check it out. The link to pre-order is in the description box below this video. So I hope you enjoy this one. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Come to sitting on the ground in a cross-legged seated position, sitting up tall. Cross your shins, flex your feet, bring your hands to your legs. From here, tuck your chin towards your chest, keeping your spine straight. Feel the back of your neck elongated. Hold here, you can close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Slowly bring your head up. Tilt your head to the left and wrap your left arm around your head. Keeping the rest of your body even, remain here, gently pulling your head over. Slowly release your arm. Switch sides, wrap your right arm around your head, tilting your head over to the right. Breathe here. Lift your head up, and once again, tuck your chin to your chest. Place your hands behind your head, stretching the back of your neck. Gently stretching your neck and gently apply pressure, but do not force anything. Breathe here. And release your hands from your head. Look up in the opposite direction towards the ceiling. Open your neck and your throat, looking upward. Come up to standing, bend your knees, place your hands on your hips, and come to a forward fold. Once you're folded over, bring your hands down to the floor. Hold here. And from here, bring your hands to your hips. Slowly come up to standing with a straight spine. Bring your legs out wide. We'll take a wide leg forward fold. You can keep your knees bent as you're folded forward and allow your head to completely hang over. Slowly come up to standing. Come to lying on your back and we'll take a bridge pose. Bend your legs, walk your heels in towards your hips. Place your hands by your sides, flat on the floor. Inhale, lift your hips up and clasp your hands together underneath your body, or you can take hold of your yoga mat in both of your hands. Use your arms to help press your hips upward. Keep your knees in towards each other at hips distance apart. Close your eyes if you'd like and relax here for a moment. Gently unclasp your hands, bring your hips back down, straighten your legs, and we'll take our final pose, Shavasana. Separate your legs apart, relax them completely, turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes, come inward and deepen your breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Hold here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, gently moving your limbs. And when you're ready, roll to the right side and rest there with your arm under your head for support. Use your hands to help you press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins. Flex your feet, bring your hands to your legs, and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me any questions you might have. I always love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new yoga videos coming up. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.